Today we will be discussing identifiers and keywords. Identifiers and keywords are most important concepts because like whenever you create some objects, like create some data, you will be assigning the data to an variable. So if you need to check whether the variable standards are correct or not, so exactly the identifiers come into picture. And there will be an reserved words which Python won't let you to use them. At that point of time you can't able to use those variables. Those are known as keywords. Yeah, we can discuss those in detail now. So let us look into identifiers. What are identifiers? Identifiers is the name which is used to identify a variable, function, class, module, etc. An identifier is a combination of characters, digits, and underscore or underscore. So the rules of identifier is bit clear. So identifier must be a combination of all the things or any of the things. So the identifier should start with a character or an underscore with the use of digit at the end. Like it should be the preceding of character and underscore. These are the three examples where you could able to find the character is at the beginning and underscore at the beginning, and capital letter N, which is character, is also at the beginning and followed by all the digits are available. We can check this in our code editor. Let's look back here. We can create a identifier.py file to check all the variations. For example, let us create a var1 is equal to 34. Now let us print var1. Okay, then click run. You can get the output. But and let us look into the case 2 underscore var2, that is equal to Rama, print Rama, sorry, print var, sorry, var. Let's run this and you could able to get 34 and Rama. And the third case is name 5. So name underscore 5, it's given as 56. Let's print it. Name 5. If you print that, you will get all that outputs. But if you violate the condition, what happens? Let us check. So instead of a character or underscore, if you use a number first and followed by an character, then you will get an error here. So statements must be separated by new lines, h is not defined. So in this way the error could happen, is raised. So that's what identifiers. So hence I said you before, the variable name is very much important, right? Okay. Now let us go and have a look on keywords. What are keywords? Keywords are some predefined and reserved words in Python that have special meanings. So the keywords cannot be used as identifiers. So since they cannot be used as a variable name, that's what I have said you. So the keywords will be reserved by the Python and you won't be able to use them as an identifier. Identifier is nothing but the name which will be given for variable, functions, class, modules. Let us check with a keyword. Keyword dot py. So here let us check. So if you use a keyword, then if you print 56, then if you try to print it, right, true, then you will get an syntax error because true cannot be assigned. So here the reason is true is a reserved word. So you can able to find it in this table which is located here. So it's an reserved or an keyword of an Python, hence could not able to use it as an identifier. Instead of true, let us write tr. Then if you try to write is tr, then if you try to run this example, then you could able to get the value of that variable or an identifier. So this is the keywords concept. So hence identifiers and keywords are two important concepts in the Python. Like before naming any of the variable, so we have need to follow some standards. So that's all.